Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a flush mounted ceiling lamp, this video is for you. So this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you tell us how easy it is to install, but more importantly, tell us what the colors look like. Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever will this be provided to me a Fixture review? I'm just here to keep it real. So this is a flush mounted ceiling lamp. It installs this side up, the wire side up. It can be mounted a couple different ways. You have a couple different mounting patterns, or you can even use the available 3 holes all the way around. It does come with all the required mounting hardware, positive, negative, and ground cables. All nice and convenient right there. And then it does have a switch, so when you're installing it, you can adjust to the exact Kelvin light color that you like. The color spectrum that is available is 2700K to 3000, 3300 to 35K, 3300 to 3500, 3800 to 4000, and then you have 4400 to 5000, and then 5000 to 6000, which is more like a daylight color. Just with a flick of a switch, you can change the light, and then it has a full spectrum of LEDs, all nice and compact inside. There is a diffuser that goes on the outside, so once it's mounted, this just slides in, and from a gravity standpoint kind of hangs and lays flush. It has a translucent ring right here around the edge, so when it is glowing, the side here also glows. So you have sort of a down facing and sort of a halo glow on the outer edge. This finish happens to be sort of a matte black. There might be a couple different other options, but this one is the matte black option. From a sizing standpoint, total dimensions width-wise is 12 inches, and then this is gonna sit off the ceiling only 3.5 inches down. Once the diffuser is put on, which just lays in there and gravity holds it in place, and so from an installation removal standpoint, literally, this would just get pushed up, you pull it out, and you change it out. But the halo effect is really cool from a design standpoint all the way around. So you have a little bit more of a look horizontal and then very bright, again, based on the color Kelvin scale that you select with the indicator. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about this very cool, I'm actually very impressed with this decorative ceiling flush mounted light, and we'll talk to you soon.